coming at y'all with an official bang, you feel me? So look, in today's video, everybody's been waiting on this shit, but we just gonna finally spray paint Shamar's truck. Now, everybody that knows who Shamar is, that nigga go crazy about his truck. So, now I know y'all just seen that shit, so if you don't go fucking subscribe, I'm really finna get angry, because y'all thought that was a text, right? Y'all looking, oh, boom, I know y'all just seen that shit, so if y'all don't go subscribe, I'm really finna get angry, oh God. Shit. Damn, drop my phone shit. He probably gonna try to kill us. I ain't gonna lie, we lucky he don't got to. He's gonna kill us. We tested it real quick to make sure it do come off. It does come off. If, I got one. This chalk paint, hey, we finna do it at a car meet. Shamar's gonna be at the car meet in a little bit. We finna go up there now and shit. Y'all just get ready. Y'all drop a like for this goddamn video because we really risking our lives. We risking our lives, right? We finna die. So be here. Subscribe if you're new. Feel me? Lit videos every week. Shit. And let's get right into this bit. I'm not finna do no more talking. This video not finna be long. We gonna get right into this bit. Let's do it. Hey, Fat C, you ready? You ready?
What?
You ready, Fat C?
For what?
What we finna do?
Oh, yeah.
You scared?
He gonna kill me.
I'm gonna watch this video. Just so you know, it was his idea.
Bitch!
It was his
Bitch,
idea.
you know damn well.
I mean, it was his idea, Shamar.
Bro,
Shamar,
fuck you.
He
I'm
brought
not doing
this.
it. I'm not doing this
I'm
shit,
playing.
man. You gonna say that
No,
shit? I'm not doing
it
this
was
shit.
my idea, bitch ass nigga. What? Come get something for it. Real nigga shit, you feel me? It was my idea. You're not finna do nothing though.
He's gonna kill you. That's what he's gonna do.
No, it was your idea. Don't lie.
Fuck you.
Oh shit, my bad. You're good.
Are you filming? What's filming?
I just been filming.
Damn! Tweaks, right? Yeah! You know,
You can catch him, not me though.
I got a pressure washer at the house. We had a whole flavor Shamar, fuck yo truck, nigga.
Go get him. Go get him for the whole time.
That shit funny as hell, boy.
Oh yeah, tonight they pushing the limit. I'm finna kill their ass tonight, no cap.
I know y'all seen what just happened. Now, this is a little sneaky. I'm gonna tell y'all basically where we're at right now. I stopped the video to tell y'all where we're at right now. Right when this happened, it was 3 days later. We told them it was a prank because some niggas at that car meet wanted to beat our ass because they thought it was real. So we wound up saying it was a prank. We did, right? Nigga didn't talk to us. He watched it. He wouldn't talk to us. 3 days later, he wanted to link up with us. So we linked up with him. He just goes crazy. It's just crazy, bro. Like, this nigga really got mad, but you feel me? We got your bitch ass. And we got you good. You know we got you good, bro. Like I said, we not gonna do too much talking, but we all good now. He just got to get his anger out. But the fight is funny as fuck. So I gave y'all a little sneak peek. I know y'all gonna wanna watch this. So y'all be sure to fucking like. And like I said, bro, please subscribe. Please, like, it's not hard. It's not like Instagram where you fucking up your followers following ratio. You just subscribe. You just do it for me. Feel me? Follow and subscribe. Anyway, I'm not gonna do more talking. Y'all boy, be sure to watch the rest of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and comment if y'all want to see more prank videos. Let's get right into it. Feel me? His truck good as new now. You see, man?
This nigga's mad as hell.
It's straight though, you feel me? He wanted to link up with us. He called us up here, you feel me? We getting gas right now. Truck fresh as new. Ain't nothing wrong with it now. You good, bro?
Bro, you gonna get yours and he gonna get his.
Damn.
You ain't getting mine, motherfucker.
Oh, I ain't getting.
Oh, you getting mine? Fuck your truck.
Fuck your back ass.
No! Look at him, bitches.
Let go now.
What's up now, motherfucker?
Oh shit!
What's up now, motherfucker?
I want my rounds with you, bro.
Fuck you, nigga.
Fuck me. I want my rounds, bro.
No.
I want my fucking
Really
rounds, bro.
good.
Oh shit!
Bitch, a woman.
Fuck.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Chill, bro.
Bro, chill.
Oh, chill,
Back
nigga.
up. I told you
Bro,
to do that fucking shit.
nigga, chill, nigga. What the fuck, bro? Nigga, you look at him. Nigga, what the fuck? You good? I fuck with that though. We got our rounds in. You good? Oh shit! Hold on. Stop real quick. No!
Told y'all niggas not to fuck my shit, bro. The fuck's wrong with y'all, bro?
This nigga Shamar just beat the shit out of him. Look. Look.
You good?
Oh shit!
Motherfucker! Your ass right now. You wanna fucking punch me? Fucking let me bleed, motherfucker! You wanna play with me, nigga? It's just fucking spray paint, motherfucker! God damn! You fucking spray paint. This nigga wanna punch me over my fucking mouth!
Oh shit! Oh, he's slipping. Oh shit!
You good?
You good?
Bro, we friends, bro. We family. Look, just come on. Give us a hug, Shamar, bro. You good, bro? Let me see. Damn. You good, bro? You good? He's crying. Come here real quick. He's crying. He's crying. All right, we good. Me and you good, right? Give me a hug, bro. I'm over good. We good?
Bro, don't ever spray paint my shit again.
All right, bro. Dap him up too, though, bro.
Motherfucker.
Nah, bro, back the fuck up.
Get your ass over here.
Come on. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. You feel me? That end was crazy. We good now, though. Dap each other up. We good now, though. Hey, y'all must be sure to go ahead and drop a like that. Anyone's crazy, anyone his
Shit
one.
still on my wheels.
He got it though, you feel me? Y'all be sure to subscribe, drop a like, shit. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Your boy Matt Too Famous. And we out the bit. Let's do it.
Yes, sir.
And I get it up. I'm fresh off a boat. Dominate wet like a boat. Dominate choke. Dominate all you gon' choke. Fucking your hoe.